Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Elemental Physics Tutor. I'm here to help you learn more topics about this wonderful world of physics. Today our topic is one of the most powerful forces in our daily lives, electricity. It's all around us, in the lights above you, in the phone or tablet you're watching this on, and even in nature when lighting flashes across the sky. But what is electricity like really? Let's find it out. Electricity is the flow of electric charge, and the charge usually comes from tiny particles called electrons. These electrons live inside atoms and can move from one atom to another when given the right conditions. When they start moving together in a path, we can call that movement an electric current. Now, this current just doesn't float around aimlessly. It needs a path to follow, just like cars need a road. That path is called a circuit, and the material that makes up the circuit, usually copper wire, is called a conductor because it conducts or carries electricity easily. Current is the rate at which electric charge flows, and it's measured in amperes or amps. But for that flow to happen, we need something to push those electrons along. That push is called voltage, measured in volts. However, not everything makes it easy for electrons to flow. Some materials slow them down. This is called resistance, measured in ohms. The higher the resistance, the higher it is for electricity to pass through. Metals like copper and aluminum have low resistance, which is why they are used for wires. Insulators like rubber and plastic have very high resistance, which is perfect for protecting us from getting shocked. Now, this first idea, voltage, current, and resistance are connected by one of the most famous relationships in physics. Ohm's law is written as voltage equals current times resistance. Now, let's look at the type of circuits we can build. A series circuit connects all components, one after another, like a chain. The current has only one path to take. Remember those old Christmas lights? One bulb goes on and suddenly everything goes dark. That's a classic series circuit problem. A parallel circuit, on the other hand, connects components on separate branches. Each component has its own path of power forward. If one branch fails, the other keeps working. That's how your home wiring works. You can turn off one light without turning off everything else. Electricity is truly the lifeblood of modern life. It powers our schools, our offices, factories, and our homes. Without it, almost everything around us will suddenly stop. But with great power comes great responsibility and safety. Always handle electrical devices carefully. Never touch exposed wire or use electronics near water. Even small currents can be dangerous if used improperly. So goodbye. See you later, my friends, and in another video of the elemental physics tutor. And I hope you learned something. Bye.